What's happening, everybody? I hope you guys have had great holidays. I am back, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Gothamchess Chessboard. Technically, it's a chess set since we have the pieces here, but I stumbled upon this particular product from one of Levy's short videos on which chessboard would you rather have or gift to somebody, I think. And I was like, oh, what's this? He's now peddling in chessboards. As always, Levy's got that confused look as if, what in the world am I doing here on this particular product? And then if we switch to the back, we got his other face here, holding pawns. It's as if like this company was like, hey, Levy, we're gonna give you some commission if you put your face on this. And he was like, are you kidding me? These chess pieces? Interestingly, if you take a closer look at the pawns right over here, they're not even the same pawns as these, because these pawns kind of a little short and stubby, and these are kind of like more expensive pawns. This chess set I bought from Amazon. I think it retailed for about $47. On the front here, it says that you're getting an exclusive access course, internet chess teacher, Gotham Chess. I'm guessing you're getting some kind of a hashtag YouTube. Go to YouTube, but this guy, he'll teach you some basics. It's a folding design, as you could probably tell from this particular picture here. We've got that similar arrangement to what we see with a lot of folding designs, probably some kind of a cardboard mesh work that the pieces go into. Usually not super sturdy, but kind of when it's folded, it's going to look something like this. And we'll take a look at it in a second here. Easy storage and transport. I wonder if, I haven't opened this yet, but I wonder if we have any type of a case or anything in there. Probably not. And then we have magnetic pieces. Well, the magnetic pieces is nice. Magnetic pieces always helps when you have small chess pieces to begin with like this. This design chess pieces kind of reminds me of like the Square Off Kingdom. Probably the same size, not super big. So given they're magnetic, probably really helps in travel situations. On the back, interestingly, it says here, includes chess notation system. For continuous learning. What kind of system? Are we looking at chess notation booklet or some kind of a system? I don't think this is a electronic chess set, but either way, premium wooden finish. So mind you, it's a finish. Probably the premium look comes from this veneer on top, glued on to some kind of a plywood or something. Board and magnetic pieces. Okay, so there you have it. When you take out the box, it's got a little bit of lining here on the front, got a little styrofoam. The back part's covered with this cardboard, as we see here, and kind of right around the corners, I guess helps to protect these boards for during shipping and whatnot. Okay, we've got the super dry, keep it dry type of thing, I guess, here to prevent from moisture contamination or whatnot. We got this little pamphlet, the instruction manual for the Gotham chessboard, that kind of briefly describes the type of pieces that we have here. Nothing's really different. Also on the back part, it shows you the instructions as far as how to move your pieces around. And so basically a brief introduction to anybody that's new to chess and wishes to learn the game. Gotham Chess, little pamphlet here, probably says thank you for buying my board. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of chess. In your hand or on a surface nearby is a Gotham Chess themed chessboard. So who's Gotham Chess and why should you care? That's me. My name is Levy Rozman. I'm an international chess master, but online I'm more commonly known as Gotham Chess. As of writing 2024, I have over 4 million subscribers and 2 billion views on my chess YouTube channel. I've also published New York Times best-selling book, How to Win at Chess, the Ultimate Guide for Beginners and Beyond. I've taught chess for 15 years, and I want you to feel fully confident in securing a victory in your next game with this very chess set. Very good. Okay, please follow the QR code right to the secret mini chess course that will teach you everything from the basics to delivering checkmate and getting your first win. I'm actually surprised by the fact that I figured it was going to be a little bit smaller, but it's not bad. It's premium. It's actually, it looks a little bit better than it does on the actual outside of the box, which is not something that I usually encounter. Like, it looks better on the box and then inside it doesn't look as good. This is actually kind of cut out so you can feel the relief, but it says here Gotham Chess. Really cool. So that way it's got good notation, very solid, very well visible, as you can see here, both sides. Just a normal type of wood. I don't think this is a fancy type of wood or anything like that, but see, the veneer finish is kind of thick, so that's really nice. I think overall from the outside it doesn't look bad. It looks like a kind of a professional finish. We've got these little clasps that we see on some of these folding boards. That's pretty much the standard for folding boards, unless you go with something that's super elaborate. All right, yeah, so we're opening things up right over here, and we got our chess pieces. In this particular case, they have this little styrofoam padding. I'm assuming the styrofoam padding is just there initially for transport, but you remove this padding, or you can keep the padding if you wish to give these pieces a little bit more protection. And you've got your chess pieces, both the dark and the light, that are actually embedded into this sort of a thicker foam. Unlike some of the other folding chessboards where the foam kind of has a pressability to it and there's like nothing underneath, when I press into this foam, it's actually solid. The pieces themselves aren't super detailed, and I'll take the pieces out here in a second. Okay, so fully set up, this is kind of what the board looks like. As far as the magnetic pull of the board, I'm actually impressed by the fact that, I mean, we have this almost at a vertical and the pieces are able to hang on, which is really nice. On the back side here, we have that foam that actually the only thing that I have about the foam is the fact that the pieces don't, you have to take the pieces out of the foam is kind of difficult, and putting them back in is a little bit difficult too, but at least you have your pieces somewhat protected, which is really nice. I think that one of the reasons why the magnetic pull is just so good here is the fact that the pieces are really quite light. I don't think they put weight inside of them, so they do feel, yeah, they do feel a little bit light, and it's okay for the size of the pieces. I'm always for having pieces with a little bit of extra weight, so that way at least you feel like there's more substance to it. But it's not a terrible chess set. We've got the dark pieces right over here that we see. I'm going to kind of angle them so you guys can see sort of the detail here. Not super detailed, as you see, kind of a basic design with not really many details. The rook is a little bit small. The knight, I would say, could be more detailed, but for the size of the chess set, I would say it's okay. As long as you can readily pick up your pieces without them, you know, feeling too small or getting in the way of something, that's kind of really all that matters. Here's the bishop. Bishop's going to be smaller, shorter than the queen that you see here across. So we have that change in difference in height, which is nice to see. We have the king, of course, let's not forget the king. The finial is kind of basic. And then if we kind of switch around a little bit and look at the pawns, then we have the pawns over there. Small pawns, not terribly small, kind of remind me size-wise of the original chestnut pieces. But the board is going to be a little bit bigger, kind of more or less, probably along the size of 1.75 or so inches, maybe just a little bit smaller. So I think it's a good travel size, and the fact that you have good, nice magnetic pull to the pieces themselves, I think it's overall, it's a relatively good product. $47, so you're paying under $50 for this. You're getting a decent travel board. I was wrong in assuming that there was going to be any type of pouch or carrying case. That would have been nice, but given the size footprint of this board, it's probably small enough for you to be able to really fit it anywhere, like a backpack or anything like that. Where's the elaborate chess notation system? I'm guessing it's the little letters here on the side for further chess learning. Fantastic. I was assuming there was going to be something extra, but yeah, it's an overall basic board with the Gotham Chess emblem on it. So if you're a big follower of Gotham Chess, if you watch Levy's videos all the time and you wanted to get, you know, something that would reflect that, then you have that option now, which is really cool. I'll shoot you guys a link down below where you can check it out, and let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this particular chess set, and whether or not you think it's worth the price. I think with nowadays anything under $50, expect to have something along the lines of kind of a basic chess set. Now, of course, you could go for maybe some kind of a carrying case and a tournament chess set if you wanted something bigger, but to each their own, and also for each particular circumstance, you would want a chess set that would meet those needs. So anyways, as always, thank you for stopping by, and I'll be sure to make some more videos this month, hopefully, if I have the time. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.